Coastal cleanups are volunteer events where people gather to remove trash from beaches, rivers, and other coastal areas.
A community cleanup is a volunteer event where people work together to improve the cleanliness and appearance of a shared space, like a park, street, or neighborhood.
Tree planting.
A tree planting is a vital activity for a healthy environment and a sustainable future. Mining can cause into deforestation, habitat destruction, air and water pollution from toxic waste, soil degradation, and potential health hazards to workers and communities. Mining can lead to deforestation, erosion, habitat loss, and contamination of water and soil with heavy metals and chemicals.